Welcome to Mini Masters. Today, we're diving into the enchanting tale of Sleeping Beauty, a story of magic, love, and courage. Once upon a time, a king and queen celebrated the birth of their daughter, Princess Aurora, inviting all the fairies in the land to bless her. But the dark fairy, Maleficent, arrived uninvited and, in anger, cast a curse on Aurora. Before her 16th birthday, she would prick her finger on a spinning wheel and fall into a deep sleep. Thankfully, one kind fairy softened the curse so that only true love's kiss could awaken her. To protect Aurora, she was raised in a hidden cottage by 3 good fairies living as Briar Rose. On her 16th birthday, she met a stranger in the forest, Prince Philip, and they felt a magical connection. But that evening, Maleficent's curse came true, and Aurora fell into a deep sleep. Brave Prince Philip, armed with gifts from the fairies, battled through Maleficent's dark magic to reach Aurora. With a gentle kiss, he broke the curse, awakening her and filling the kingdom with joy. Aurora and Philip lived happily ever after, reminding us that love and bravery can conquer even the darkest spells. Thanks for joining us today on Mini Masters. Like and subscribe for more magical stories. And remember, every adventure has its own spark of magic. See you soon.